Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Technique Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a symbols on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a special character or how to insert a symbol on your Canva sheet mobile, just going to show in this video. So to insert a special character or symbol on your Canva sheet, if you're just clicking on the action button here, you just type as symbol, but you can't find anything here, and also there's no special character. So instead of that, just use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard here. So I just using Google keyboard. So you can just click on the number section first and just click on this number section again. You can find all the different type of symbols. If you just long press on the pie, you can find a home symbol, view symbol, and also if you just long press on everything, everything shows a different symbol. For an example, if you just long press on any other symbols like trademark or percentage, you can find different symbols here. And this is how you just insert more or less symbol on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. Just use your keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.